Hello, today I am going to stabilize wood. For stabilization I took my mom's screw-top jar for jam. I installed inside the needle from the tubeless tire of my father's car. I screwed out valve core. I have these zero wood plates for stabilization. Fill the jar with the methacrylate base liquid. Close the jar. Stabilization is a process of wood impregnation and polymerization. Pump out the air. I use this vacuum pump for brakes from auto parts store. By the way, there are lots of stabilization tutorials on internet. You can even use a syringe. When you pump the air out, you can see the bubbles. It means the process is going the right way. We need to soak the wood well. Keep it about 30 minutes, and then leave it rest in liquid for about 24 hours. You can speed up the process with monovacuum chamber as long as you have one, but this way stabilization goes differently. It's time to take the plates out. I am going to dry them in oven at 95 degrees for about an hour. Beforehand, put the plates in baking sleeve. It's an ordinary cheap toaster that heats up to 200 degrees. I bought temperature sensor and thermal relay at Chinese online store. Installed them, and now my oven keeps the temperature I really need. It is not the only way. You can also boil the plates, but that will put you in other troubles. It's been an hour. Take the plates out and let them cool. Here you are. The plate on the right is not stabilized. Stabilized wood is smoother and heavier, like plastic, but wood. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. Bye.